she goes. That's what I was looking for. Jump, jump, jump. Whoa. You see your little tuft of hair bouncing in the back there. Get it out of your mouth. No.
But so she told me her prices.
Yeah.
She said she really doesn't make any money on it.
Go, Jada, go!